this is Jada the Stylist. This is a video I recorded the other day while I was at work, and my client, she has in microlinks with bundles. She has at least 2 bundles of 24-inch of my curly hair, and she had it in for about a month, but what I'm doing right now is giving her a deep aloe conditioning treatment, and I'm going to leave it on her hair for at least 30-35 minutes under a steamer. And right here, what you see is me pulling the aloe all the way through her bundles, so her bundles also can be kind of hydrated during the process as well. So I'm just taking the aloe and I'm getting her edges and her hair in the back so that her entire head can be hydrated. This is a steamer that I use on my clients when I'm using a deep conditioner treatment or any type of treatment. It's good for hydration in the hair, and so it's such other things as well. After the 35 minutes of me putting her underneath the steamer, I'm just going to take some cold water and I'm rinsing the aloe out. Now, I did forget to mention that I did wash her hair before I treated her hair. I just didn't get it on recording because this recording was not planned. I just decided to pull my phone out and start recording because I have not put any content on YouTube lately. So I put her under the hair dryer for at least 45 minutes. I did not blow her hair out right away. I put her under the dryer so that her bundles can be dry as well as her hair. So this is the natural state, what you see right here. I put a little bit of heat resistant heat treatment on my hands. Now I'm pulling it through her hair, and I'm now going to proceed with straightening her hair out. I'm just sectioning her hair off right here, right before I use my blow dryer. Now, like I said, I didn't intend on recording myself. I just decided to grab my phone and record myself because I have not placed any content on social media of me doing any hair, or let alone YouTube, which I need to get back to doing. So I didn't get a chance to record myself showing you guys step by step of how I install her microlinks with the bundles. There's different ways that I've seen on social media how some women install the microlinks, and I'm not sure if the method that I'm using, that I used here, is kind of popular. So I know you guys are wondering why I didn't record myself installing the microlinks. Once again, her install been in for about a month, and I'm just doing a routine maintenance with conditioning her hair and keeping everything fresh. So I do apologize for that, and I know you guys are going to chump me out about not recording it, but that is the reason why. This was not an intentional recording. I just pulled my phone out and started recording. Now, as you can see, I'm pulling her hair up in a ponytail, so you can see that the install is very versatile and very flat, and it looks very realistic and natural. If you're one of the ladies that like weave but do not like the hair to look like weave, microlinks with bundles are like one of the top things you should go for. It looks so natural in the ponytail. It looks very natural down. It doesn't look wiggish. It's like the perfect install. So my client really wanted to have a straight look. So what we did was we flat ironed her hair, and what I'm doing is putting some layers in the front of just to frame her face. And as you see, the finished look right here, she loved it. It's very, very, very natural. It's extremely light, and once again, I only used 2 bundles and installed in my client hair, and as you see, she loved it. So if she wanted to convert back to that curly look that you guys saw before I straightened it, all she would have to do is wash her hair and the curl will convert back. And this is about the end of the video. Make sure you guys rate, comment, and subscribe. And I apologize in advance once more whenever I start Doing another customer with microlinks, I will try my best to remember to grab my phone and record. Thank you for watching.